A substance is any form of matter that is uniform with consistent properties throughout. Substances react chemically in characteristic ways through chemical reactions. A chemical reaction is a process that leads to the transformation of one or more substances into new substances with different properties. In a chemical reaction, the atoms that make up the original substances are rearranged into different molecules. Physical properties of matter are characteristics that can be observed or measured without using a chemical reaction. Chemical properties are characteristics that can only be observed or measured when a substance undergoes a chemical reaction. Evidence of a possible chemical change is a production of gas, change in temperature, production of a precipitate, or change of color. Chemical equations are useful in explaining chemical activity in the natural world, including the law of conservation of mass. Chemical equations are written to show chemical changes that occur in a chemical reaction. The law of conservation of mass explains that the mass of all reactants in a chemical reaction must equal the mass of all products. The periodic table shows all the known elements arranged by properties. Elements are represented by one or two letters, referred to as chemical symbols. During a chemical reaction, the atoms of the original substances, called reactants, rearrange themselves to form new substances, called products. The reactant side and the product side of a chemical equation must be balanced. This means that the number and types of elements on the reactant side of the equation must be the same as those on the product side. An understanding of chemical reactions is important to understanding substances and matter around us.